भजेम परब्रह्म रूपं गणेशं भजेम गुणातीतमानं चिदानन्दरूपं गुणातीतमानं चिदानन्दरूपं चिदाभासकं सर्वगं ज्ञानगम्यं चिदाभासकं सर्वगं ज्ञानगम्यं मुनिकृपाकाश रूपं परेशं आकाशरूपं परेशं परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेम परब्रह्म रूपं गणेशं भजेम जगत्कारणं कारणज्ञानरूपं जगत्कारणं कारणज्ञानरूपं सुरादिं सुखादिं गुणेशं गणेशं सुरादिं सुखादिं गुणेशं गणेशं जगद्व्यापिनं विश्ववन्द्यं सुरेशं जगद्व्यापिनं विश्ववन्द्यं सुरेशं ब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेम परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेम परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेम।
धन्यवाद. भारी सुंदर. आता दीप प्रज्वलन करचे कार्यक्रम. दीप प्रज्वलन करच कतरी सगळे लोक प्रार्थना मुद्रा भितरी आमचे मुख्य अतिथी श्री दिनकर पायकेरी मम्मक दीप प्रज्वलन करते हे करता.
थँक यू व्हेरी मच.
What is next? Usharani madam.
Okay. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Can you hear me? Yes.
Yes.
आता आमगेले सरोज मॅडमाक आमगेले ऑर्गनायझर श्री मोहन पालनकर मामा बद्दल थोडे इंट्रोडक्शन दी म्हणून रिक्वेस्ट करता.
Thank you, Usha. Palankar Mama, he is the main pillar of the Yavadna Abhiman Yuva Shakti group to initiative this, and his relentless dedication and efforts in raising awareness about the group among the youth have led to an impressive number of participants. So, Originally from Ankola in North Canara, he is now settled in Mangalore post retirement. He graduated from Ankola and earned an MSc in organic chemistry with a focus on drugs from Mumbai University. He also holds an MBA in marketing from Jamnalal Bajaj Institute, Mumbai. His career spanned various positions in major pharmaceutical and Ayurvedic companies, including Lupin, Burrow Wellcome, that is Glaxo, Biochem, Anglo French, Sandu, Duta Papeshwara, and Maxima, culminating in his role as general manager in marketing. Currently, he works as a consultant and general manager of marketing at ARAR Pharmaceutical Research Center Private Limited in Belgium. In his post-retirement phase, Sir is dedicated to engaging in social and spiritual activities. He has actively joined the Rotary Club, Mangalore Management Association, Brahma Kumaris, and Patanjali Yoga Shibir to contribute to society and share his knowledge and experience with others. His wife, Sheetal M. Palankar, holds a BA and is a homemaker. His elder son, Ankur Palankar, BA in Electronics and Communications, manager in an MNC in Mumbai, married to Dr. Sneha A. Palankar. She is a physiotherapist. They have a 4-year-old daughter, Aradhya, and younger son, Ashwini M. Palankar, BA in Biotechnology, manager at Canara Bank, Mumbai, married to Preetham A. Palankar sir has done MTech in Digital Electronics. And sir, I welcome you to this group. Your contribution is a great work which we could are joined today to this program. So I welcome you, sir, once again.
Thank you, thank you,
Thank you
thank
so
you so
much.
much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Sri,
मॅम मोहन पालनकर मामा दैवज्ञ
yes,
युवा शक्तीचे हे ग्रुपाचे उद्देश बदल तुम्ही सांगता म्हणून विनंती करता.
thank you. Sri Sri Sachidananda Jnaneshwara Bharati Namaha, Gurubhyo Namaha. Good evening to all members, respected senior most eminent personalities of the this particular group, all the admins. I am very much thankful and I am giving a great respect to these eminent personality of our admins of this Yuva Shakti group. In our Daivatnya Samaja, we have found various WhatsApp groups, and some groups are providing the information. Some groups are basically entertainment groups. Now, in this group, what we observed that the age group are about 45, 50, 60, 70. But then our young youth are not found in the Daivatya Brahmana WhatsApp group. Either these Daivatya young youth are not even joining our programs of the Daivatya Brahmana Samaja. And that is why that the thought came in my mind, why what we should do to attract these young youth. These young youth are our the backbone and tomorrow the future of the Daivatya Brahmana Samaja. So that is why the thought came in mind, and I thought we must provide, we must take care of their interests. So what is the interest of the young youth? Interest of the young youth is their knowledge, the informations, their career built up, and this direction and the information we should provide that will attract these young youth. With that intention, I thought of creating this Yuva Shakti group. With the intention, I started contacting these various our personalities, particularly particularly in the education field. Now we have in our Daivatnya Brahmana Samaja the vice chancellors, and similarly we have what you called IAS officers, bank managers, and HOD principals, and head of the departments, and then CEO and general manager, vice president in the various fields that we have in Karnataka, then in Maharashtra, then in Goa, and then in Kerala. So, with that intention, I started contacting. Right now, we have 32 admins. I am, if I start reading, it will take a lot of time. Then one thing I should mention at least Professor K. Sudha Rao is the former Vice Chancellor of KSOU Mysore of Karnataka, and then Dr. Venkatesh Raikar, former Vice Chancellor, and Sri Arvind Jannu, IAS, former Secretary to the Government of Karnataka, Sri Deepak Sheth, IAS officer, Sachin, Dr. Sachin Vernekar is the former Dean of the Bharati Vidyapith, and Sri Uday P. Sheth, the B MBA and the CEO of the Sangi Overseas, and Dr. Vivekanand Gaonkar, and then Sri Dayanand Netalkar is managing partner of the Netalkar Industries, and then Sridhar and Palankar, scientist, ISRO, and Dr. Usharani Vernekar, MD, Ayurveda physician, Dr. Chandras D. Vernekar is a social forest, is a DFO, and Dr. Manjunath S. Revankar is the chairman of the Suraj Group of Institution. Then Sri Devanand Seth is the principal, and Dr. Shekhar S. Seth, MD, pathology, and Sri Gajanan Palankar is an MBA and Deputy General Manager of the Goa Shipyard, and Sri Arun Sheth, retired Chief Executive of Punjab National Bank, and Sri Anant V. Sheth, Insurance Investment Career Opportunity, Professor Uday Raikar, MSc, PhD, HOD of the Physics of Karnataka University, then Bharati Akka Brahmakumari, and then Sri Rohit Raikar of the BE Industrialist, Sri Santosh Sheth of the independent director consultants, and Sri Mohan Raj Seth is a retired manager of the KFC, and Sri Uday Mohan Revankar, chairman of the Skill Development Committee, Karnataka Chamber of Commerce, and Dr. Gautam Revankar, PhD, vice principal of the college and engineering Gadag, and Sri K.A. Jagdish, chartered accountant, and Sri Ramdas D. Raikar, Managing Director of the RR Pharmaceuticals. Dr. Saroj Manjunath Revankar is the Assistant Professor, and then Professor K.A. Ravish, MSc, PhD, Dean of the School of Life Science, JSS University, Mysore. Sri Revant K is an MBA, and then Sri Ravindra Sheth, the Master of the Computer Applications, and then these are the 32 deans, and recently, yesterday, that Kumar, MP Kumar has joined, and as an admin senior most person, he has a lot of experience, almost 30 years experience. So this is the how this we thought of providing the information, the direction to the young youth. That is our main objectives, and that is how we have formed this group, and now it is in the budding stage, and later condition it is right now it will is in a WhatsApp group, but it will not remain as a WhatsApp group. In a short duration of period, this will become a big organization with the support of 33 senior most admins, and they are going to guide our young youth and to build up their career, academic as well as the professional career. And 100% that our youth will be benefited with this group. And there are many action plans which we have prepared it for the whole year, and we are going to provide is the educational information, job opportunities, higher education guidance, counseling, personality development, developing the communication skill. So there are many ideas are there, and the main objective is to develop our young youth and to support them. And this with this few words, because time is short, so I'm not going to take much more time. So with this, I close my talk. So thank you so much.
Thanks, Mama. Unity is strength and let's uplift each other म्हणून तुमचे मेसेज भारी इन्स्पिरेशनल असा. आता तुम्ही सांगितल्याबद्दल समाजात भितरी खूप लोक शिकला वगैरे पाविल असाची. And now I remember Saroj Revankar ji madam काम गेल्याची सोशल परिचय देऊ.
Yeah, thank you, Usha. Uh, Samaj Shreshti Sri Dinkar Baikerikar is a respected leader and local and social worker known for his significant contributions to various communities and organizations across India. Born on February 17th of 1940, is a distinguished figure from Karwar, recognized for his achievements in sports and social work. Educated at Halga, Karwar Hindu High School, and BSc from Mumbai University. He has been an avid badminton player, winning numerous state awards and captaining his volleyball team in college. At 85, he continues to actively play badminton. With a career marked by a commitment to public service and community development, he has held several prominent positions, including that of a senior executive officer in the government of Maharashtra, a dedicated trustee of Someshwar Mandir in Goa. He has also been closely associated with the Canara Daivajna Association in Mumbai and served as a trustee for Daivajna Mutt in Karwar. His efforts have been widely recognized, earning him prestigious awards such as the Pride of Nation in 2007, the Ajivan Gaurav Puraskar in 2009, and the Raigad Bhushan Puraskar in 2017. As an active member of the Akhil Bharatiya Daivajna Samaj Parishad, he continues to work towards the upliftment and unity of the Daivajna community, making him a distinguished figure in both social and administrative circles. He is the vice president of Nana Sumker Shet Pratishthan, where he played a pivotal role in securing a 35 crore loan for a memorial and in and instrumental in renaming Mumbai Central Railway Station to Nana Sumker Shet Railway Station. His philanthropy extends to supporting Kamla Nehar School for orphan children in Panvel, contributing 36,000 monthly and recently donating 4 computers. Dinkar has been honored with the Samaj Shreshti Award for his social work and previously led the Akhil Bharatiya Samaj Unnati Parishad, organizing a landmark All India Mahila Sammelan in Shirshi. So I welcome you to this event. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Thank you.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. मुख्य अतिथि श्री धनकर वैकेरी जी सर, युवा पीढ़ी का तुम्हें कृपया संबोधन करता हूँ विनंती.
It's a great pleasure to be the chief guest of such a educational organization, and I am really proud to be part and parcel of this. First of all, let me thank Mohan Palankar, who has taken initiative in forming this Yuva group. And his dedication, determination, and decision-making powers made him to come such a level. I greatly admire Mohan Palankar, who could bring all class of cream of Daivajna under the group of youth. And this is a need of the time, because today our children, they are very intelligent, very smart, and they need guidance of this time. Now, coming to the point, this main admin, Mohan Palankar, along with the Professor Dr. K. Sudha Rao, who is the Vice Chancellor of Mysore University, ex-Chancellor, I had a great occasion of meeting her at Sirsi Mahila Sammelan. And I was really impressed with her knowledge, her love for the Samaj, love for the education, and Mohan Palankar, it's a great achievement to our group. Arvind Jannu also I met him at CC for the same function, and these are the cream of people who are in our social work and they are helping the people. So also Dr. Venkatesh Raikar, Vice Chancellor of Sanjay Gudavat University, and also Dr. Sachin Vernekar, he is a professor at BY Patil College, and Dr. Sushma Vernekar, Dr. Usha Rani Ravnekar, Tejashi Vernekar. I thank all of the people, including Uday Sheth, then Dayanand Nesalkar, who has become an admin of this group. My only request to you is, in this group, there should be only educational and no good morning, no good night, no festival programs, nothing other than the education and education. Last month, I was called as a chief guest in Devani and I was honored. I could, give an honor to a girl who, Vibha Ghumre, who scored 99.86% marks in SSC. Could you believe a girl without any tuitions could get mark in SSC 99.86? This is a great achievement for our Samaj. And these are the people who need guidance for their future career. This is the time we need to help these people. And I have seen everywhere where I go. For example, on 17th August, we had a Nana Shankar Shet celebration. Not less than 150 to 160 people who get more than 80% of the mark. And this is the type of intelligence our Devajna has in our community. And these are the people who need guidance. A time was there where the career guidance was supposed to be a line for the future. But now nowadays nobody goes for this career. This thing. But now what they need a personal advice from you, all of you. And it is a great pleasure that we are come together, and I am really honored because such a intelligent people from our community could come together. But the only thing is they should contribute to the society in a proper way. There should be proper line of communication with the students of the today's generation. And it will be our important responsibility of ours, main admin also as a chief guest, to propagate, to tell the importance of this global meet to the students, especially 10th and 12th standard students. This is the need of the time because I seen many people on WhatsApp group, they come and they disappear within no time. But Mohan Palankar, I admire his patience, his continuity. He started his Sri group, he started an Adhyatma group where I was also a chief guest. But then this is the major milestone, I believe, in our community to bring the people. And there is nothing more than education in our life. Education is first, education is last. Nowadays, our business is going from down. Jewelry is no more. No children today is interested in continuing father's business. They are interested in taking education. But if we guide them in a proper way, they can make the occasion better. And once they become a good citizen, as our Usha Rani told, what is youth? Youth is the one who has got all the positive part of Hinduism. Hinduism, don't harm others. Whatever you want to do, do best of the work and help the others, needy persons. Education, you try to give education. Education is very important. Once you give your meal, your dinner, it's all lasting for 3 to 4 hours. Once you give good education, that is the main reason. Instead of giving money to many institutions, I thought that 23 should get education. so that these 23 children can be a good citizen of India. There, I have not seen the whether they belong or we are doing for community people, but at the same time, we have to do the work for the society, for the nation. And this is one of the steps we are helping Kamla Nehar Society without any interest. But I tell you, these children are well mannered. They need your help, my help. They need the help. And see, one thing, we are born. Our duty is towards our parent, and second comes to duty our towards the community where you live, then comes for your samaj, then you are for nation, rashtra, then comes for the nation. So of all the things, nation is the first. Whatever you do, good or bad, you should always aim the nation. Rashtra is my priority. For rashtra, what you have to do, once you take that Rashtra is my priority, then automatically all the good natures, good things, education, food habits, everything comes to you. So be a good citizen. And I really think I was really honored. I was given a chance to be a chief guest of the meeting, and I have no words to explain. But I promise you, whenever I go for the public meeting, I'll definitely give this group number, and I'll see that the children get proper guidance, proper education, and if need comes, this group try to collect some money for the help of needy peoples. I had started once. Now also last time when I was called at Mera Bandar Road, I had told them, you those children who cannot afford fees and they are very good in studies, please give me the names. I'll support their education, their fees, their clothes, everything, and see that the boy becomes a graduate so that he can earn, he support his family, he can support the samaj. So that should be our attitude. See, today we have a meeting, it's a grand success. And I know Mohan Palankar will not leave halfway down. And secondly, he has used his retirement age for the Samaj. With the Ashirwad of Swamiji, Karkis Mata Swamiji, I tell you, things will definitely go. We all believe our Karki Sri Sachidanand Dhaneshwar Bharati Swami Maharaj. We all trust him. On 8th of this month, I had gone to Shirshi for Chaturmas. There, I had a chance of giving Nana Shankarshit's photo, Tail Chitra, to Swamiji, and that is to be placed in our Karke Mat. But another thing, though our community is in minority, but our children, they are very intellectual. We are intelligent, very very intelligent. A person who can make from raw gold to the silver ornament, he is an artist. He is a born artist. You put him in any situation, he will never fail. He will come out with good success. But with all this, I want to give you a good news. Usharani also told about the Smarak and everything. The Smarak Municipal Corporation has given 1,500 square meter of place Wadala. Last 10 years we have been fighting to get the finance for construction of the building, but this time the government has given 35 crores for the construction of this, and this is only for the educational purpose because Nana believed in the education. The first school for the girls was started by Nana Shankarshit. So it is our legacy to you can think of Nana on those old days. He had a gust to open a girls' school, and his own family children were the girls were the students of that college, this school, So with all these things, and secondly, yesterday we met Vidhan Sabha President Rahul Narvekar regarding Bombay Central Namkaran to be named in the Namkaran terminus. And he has promised before this election, he personally will meet Ashwini Vaishnav, who is the cabinet minister for railway, Amit Shah, and within a month's time, the Mumbai Central terminus will be named as Nana Shankar Terminal. I tell you, if we succeed in naming the Bombay Central into Nana Terminal, it will be international level. It will go to national. And at the same time, we are going to construct 35,000 square foot of FSI ground for 6-story building at Wadala, where education, and my intention is that with the income of that institution, we should help our children to education. That is my motto. And I tell you, I have no words to thank Sudharao, Jannu, or Venkatesh Raikar, or Sachin Vernekar, and Uday Sheth, who is a very close friend of mine. Then Dayanand Netalkar. I can Revankar, Venkatesh Revankar. All these I know them personally, and I wish all the best of luck, main admin, other admins of this group, and whatever I can contribute, you please tell me. I am always at your service. Thank you very much for calling me. And I think with these few words, I will close my opening speech. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Thank
everybody.
you. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
Dinkar
you,
sir.
Mama.
Thank you,
Thank
Dinkar sir.
Uh, Mama, career शिक्षणाबद्दल तुम्ही खूप इथले हायलाइट केले. आमगेर
you.
युवाक आज समाज स्वतः समाजाबद्दल अभिमाना गरज असा, देशाबद्दल अभिमाना गरज असा आणि इथं तुम्ही हायलाइट केलेल्या खूप धन्यवाद. आता नेक्स्ट आमगे गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर फर्स्ट डॉक्टर श्रीमती सुधाराव मॅडम बद्दल परिचय दिवच्याक डॉक्टर सरोज रेवणकरजी मॅडमाक हांव विनंती करता.
We welcome Professor K. Sudharao. She is a distinguished academic and educational administrator with a remarkable career in higher education. Holding an MA and PhD, she has served as a National Fellow at the Indian Council for Social Science Research in New Delhi and as the former Vice Chancellor of Karnataka State Open University in Mysore 2003 to 2007. Her leadership extends to her roles as Executive Director and Member Secretary of the Karnataka Knowledge Commission and as a Senior Advisor at the All India Council for Technical Education. A Fulbright scholar at Harvard University, Professor Rao has held significant positions, including CEO at SDM Bangalore and SGI Kolhapur, and has led the higher education and education policy departments at the National Institute of Educational Planning and Administration in New Delhi. Her extensive international collaborations include research projects with institutions across the USA, UK, Canada, and other countries. Professor
Saroj,
Raus,
Saroj,
mame.
you have introduced enough. Rest they can see in the
Arre,
Google.
no. Just a small paragraph. I need to, ma'am. This has to be, please. Professor Rao's contribution to her higher education in India are widely recognized. She has influenced national regulatory bodies such as UGC, AICTE, and NAC, and has worked with global agencies including UNESCO and UNICEF. This is all very important, ma'am, so I can't skip all this. So UNESCO and UNICEF. So that is her efforts have been honored with several national awards, including the Centenarian Seva Ratna Award and the late Kalpana Chawla Award. And this is amazing. Kalpana Chawla Award has been given to ma'am. So she has published 8 books and over 100 research papers on various aspects of education policy and management. Absolutely. Having someone like Professor K. Sudharao in our group is an incredible asset. Her extensive experience, impressive achievements, and deep expertise in higher education bring invaluable insights and guidance. Her presence can significantly enhance the quality of discussions, decision making, and strategic planning. It's a fantastic opportunity to learn from and collaborate with such a distinguished person. It's my personal experience or this thing. I wanted to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude. You have been more than just a role model and a mentor. You have also played a crucial role in bringing my marriage to function. Mami, whatever I am today, actually, see, today I am where, and because of your guidance and support. Thank you for everything you have done to me. So this I cannot skip, ma'am. To be frank, as how kita asli, when I just finished my MSc, I could meet Sudha Mami, and he knew my husband Manjunath Revankar. She made this match, and today what we are, he is the executive vice president in HDFC Bank, and it's only even he feels she is role model, idol, any words. It's all Sudha Mami for us, both of us. So I just can't skip anything in her
Thank
praises.
you.
Thank you, Mami.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank
Sudha ma'am, kindly, I request you to kindly address the gathering with the vision, mission, and objectives of the group.
थँक यू व्हेरी मच. नमस्कार पुरा जनाक. आणि हे मागिले लॅपटॉपात या नतील निमित्ती हातून नमस्कार करू जातो ना तोंडान सांगतो सा मोबाईलात एक हातीत मोबाईल दंगेन आणि एक हातीत नमस्कार मागिले. थँक यू व्हेरी मच. थँक्स अ लॉट. ओके मग मस्त मोहन पालंकरान मला फर्स्ट निमगिल तवळी जनरली हांव त्यांचे पोझिशनाक ಒಪ್ಪುಂಗ್ येवचिना. ಎದೊಳ್ತಾಯಿ ಮಸ್ತೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗಿಲೆ ಕಂಚೆ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಒಪ್ಪುಂಗ್ येवचिना इते म्हळ्यार कंच पोझिशनात दुड्ड कलेक्शन आसा. कंच पोझिशनात खुर्ची खातीर काम आसा आणि कंच पोझिशनात बरी एक नांवा खातीर काम आसा. तसले कडेन हांव वचचें म्हाका म्हणना. हांव मोहन पालंकरान म्हाका सांगले मॅडम तूं प्रेसिडेंट जावका म्हणून हांव केन्ना जायन रे म्हणून. फर्स्ट एंड द फॉरमोस्ट थिंग आय टोल्ड मोहन की तूच हे सुरू केल्लो सो तूच प्रेसिडेंट जावका बाकीच्यान इतले सपोर्टर्स तुका म्हण ताका सांगिल हांवें. लकीली ही अग्रीड. दॅट इज हाव आय एम इन द ग्रुप. म्हाका हाजी जबाबदार दिवन आसचे विजन मिशन ऑब्जेक्टिव. सो आणि म्हाका दिवन आसचे 5 मिनिटां. हांव 5 मिनिटांत कंप्लीट करता. अच्छा विजन म्हळ्यार कसले म्हणून. विजन म्हळ्यार एक दूरदृष्टी. कसले सुरू करता आसतना ते बरी एक कामा खातीर म्हणणे सगळे ऑलराउंड डेव्हलपमेंटाचे दूरदृष्टी धरून घेन खंयचे एक संस्थे काम करता असलेरी तशी आता मोहन पालंकरान सुरू केले संस्थे काम करता असचे. हेच विशयन कल्ले म्हणून. हेच विशयन क्लियरली हांव बरोवन आसचे हांव उलयता असचे ते पुरो मोहन पालंकरान मला उलयले तवळी नावे मेसेजा घातील तवळी ते पळोवन वटकन सांगतो हांव तितलेची. मागील ओरिजिनल कल्ले ना म्हणलें हे इतले वटके लालेची तेगेल मना आयलेशी कलकल कर्क म्हण दिसतो असता का तो तत्तवळ सांगतो असता ते इतले वटकन हांव तुमचे मुखार हाडतो आसा. First and the foremost vision is providing the information with regard to knowledge, skill, and behavior, needed behavior to ensure the progress and get into educational and employment opportunities and achieve success. हेज खातीर म्हणून एक विजन धरून घेवन हे ऑर्गनायझेशन सुरू करनासचें. हे ऑर्गनायझेशन सुरू करून जातोची लेकिले हेक एक मिशन धरू जाय म्हणून. हेज मिशन कल्ले म्हणून. मिशन म्हळ्यार पुरा ऑब्जेक्टिव्स वटकन घेवन ते ऑब्जेक्टिव्सा प्रकार आमी काम कसल करता ती म्हणून. हंत घेतिले प्रकार आमगेले ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह आसचे 16 to 40 एज ग्रुपा लोकांक कसले नमुने तांकां हेल्प जाय. It could be educational, it could be psychological, it could be emotional, it could be sociological, it could be economical, it could be ethics and value related, and whatever it is that they feel that there is a gap, they are not able to get it. Here is an organization तेंचे खातीर म्हण सुरू करनासचे. त्यांनी हंतु कोणाक अप्रोच करीत 32 admin इतू कोणाक अप्रोच कंगेनु they can certainly find out की कल मेळू जाता म्हणून. and एक admin दिवू जाल ना जाल्यारी त्यांनी इतले सांगचे अंतू जाता तुम्ही कोणाला घेऊ जाता असेल हेल्प म्हणून. फक्कन 10th लेवल का घेऊ जाल ना जाल्यारी तुमकां 2-4 दिसान आमी वटकन घेवन ते इन्फॉर्मेशन हाण तुमकां पावच काम आमगेल ग्रुपाचे. ते ग्रुपात हेची ABC अशीच मनुष्य करता म्हणना पुरा जण ಒಟ್ಟು मेळनो कंच मनशाक कसल सहाय जाय 16 to 40 एज ग्रुपाचे, स्पेशली इन टर्म ऑफ एज्युकेशन अँड एम्प्लॉयमेंट. हंतू आमगेल उद्देश आशिल खातीर इट इज व्हेरी नेसेसरी आमी फोकस करचे आणि वटकंगे न्हू लोकांक सहाय करचे. ते कशें आसा म्हळ्यार बरी आमी सहाय करता म्हण आमी सांगतो भोवले जावची ना. ग्रुप मेंबर्स आसा मू 350, 360, 370 त्यांनी ऍक्टिव्ह पार्टिसिपेट करका. त्यांनी निमगोवका प्रश्न मम्मी म्हाका जायी, मामा म्हाका जायी म्हण हे काही मेळटा म्हण जाल्यार ते बरी इजी निमगोवचे न्ही. प्रति एक शिकताल चेडवांनी गूगला वचून इंटरनेटा वचून पुरो इन्फॉर्मेशन सद्या मेळटा. ते मेळचे इन्फॉर्मेशन जाल्लं तितलें वटकंगे न्हू तान तुका कन्फ्युजन असले री ते कन्फ्युजन क्लॅरिटीक हे ग्रुपाक येवन निमगिले री इट वूड सर्टनली हेल्प पुरो जनाक. ते कशें सांगचे म्हळ्यार गोड्याक उदकाक ते होरुजात काय जाल्यार उदक गोड्यांनीच पिवका आमी तोंडा भितर घालून पिवोवचें जायना. तशीच हियर इज द ग्रुप of people, experts, expertise available with them. They are highly experienced and above all they are willing to help the community to ensure that our community gets into a better position and gets much more benefits. This is the purpose that we have done. आणि एक म्हाका मस्त बरें दिशिल्लें हे ग्रुपाचे म्हळ्यार की प्रति एक विशयाचे एक्सपर्ट आमचे आसात. That is the advantage. Suppose if you take Arvind Jenu, तो कॉम्पिटेटिव्ह एक्झाम पास केलं मनुष्य आणि बरी पास केले कुछ नाही पास करतोच IAS पोझिशन ही reached up to the level of chief secretary. तशा शिलतवळी हेंगील एक्सपिरियन्स घेऊन कॉम्पिटेटिव्ह एक्झाम कशी स्ट्राईक करचे म्हण कळून घेवचे आमगिले 16 to 40 एज ग्रुपात जबाबदारी. तशी मस्त नाका CA कश करचे म्हणून गोत ना. CA म्हणे मस्तोड कष्ट म्हणलेकला ती पुढे तशी आशिल ते पुढे CA करचे मस्त कष्ट आशिले जाल्यार आत्ता देर आर वेरियस इम्प्रुवमेंट्स दॅट हॅज बीन डन. ते इम्प्रुवमेंट्स विशय इतले कळून घेवचले री तू आमगेल ग्रुपात जगदीश आसा तशीच आमगेल व्यंकटेश रायकर आसा टेक्निकल एज्युकेशनाक. कितले टेक्निकल एज्युकेशन तेणें विजीट केले की इन्स्टिट्यूशन म्हाका काय लॅकस म्हण ना दिसता. बहुशा ते लेगवर्क लॅकस की ना की तितली इंजिनियरिंग कॉलेजेस तेणें विजीट करून जाला NBA मुखांतर म्हणू NACA मुखांतर म्हणू आणि लेक्चर्स दिवचे म्हणू. तो वे मस्त बरे पोझिशन आसून पुरो अचीव केला मनुष्य. सचिन MBA इन्स्टिट्यूशन चलयल मनुष्य MBA तू मस्त नमुने आसा. MBA सक्सेस जावक जाल्यार बरी एक डिग्री निमित्त सक्सेस जावची ना. ती डिग्री मेळतो अशी कितले काम करता ती तेजेर त्यांनी सक्सेस जावचे ते कळून घेवक जाल्यार सचिन तसले मनुष्य तुमकां मेळची ना. तशीच उदय शेट आसा. एक लोकांक तुम्ही पळयतो गेले री तेंगिले इन्फॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करून घेतले री गूगला निमित्त की बायोडाटा निमित्त की त्यांतले कल्ल निमगू जाता आणि कसल कळून घेऊ जाता म्हण तुमकां कळता. दॅट इज वॉट इज टू बी डन बाय ग्रुप मेंबर्स. हे ग्रुप आस पळय 40 की 50 आजही अटेंड केले त्यांनी बाकी जना सांगू जाय. सगळे 300 चिल्लरी ग्रुप मेंबर आसा पळय त्यांनी तितले जणांनी ते यूज करून घेवन कितले म्हणटा मुखार हाडूचे कितें हाडका. आमगेल काम केले आमी इंग्लिशान म्हणटा ती मेंटरिंग म्हणून नावे हँड होल्डिंग म्हणून. मेंटरिंग म्हळ्यार खंयचे मनशाक त्रास असलेली तांकां ॲडवायस करून तांकां एक वाटी दाखोवन दिवचे म्हणून. आणि ते इतले करचे हँड होल्डिंग म्हणले तेवढं आमी सांगचे आसा. यू कॅनॉट होल्ड अ हँड पण पळाल मनशाक आमी माथेदन उसू जावची ना. तेणें हात जरूर उसू जाय. फुडें तेणें हात उसले मात्र आमी हात दन तांडू जात शिवाय वयरी माथेदन उसू गेल्यार ते गळ मोडटा. तशीच हे ग्रुप मेंबर्स हांव सांगची एकूची की तुम्ही तुमकां आयडेंटिफाय करून तुमकां इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करून घेवन तुमकां जाय म्हण एक विजन धरूंक गे न्हू, ते जाय जाल्यार तुमी खंयचे वाटेरचे आमकां काम म्हण कळून गे न्हू, तेजे खातीर तुमी हांग ग्रुपात आशिल्ल्या एडमिना पैकी सहाय घेतले री तुमकां तेज निमित्त मस्त उपयोग जाता. हांवें चड वेळ घेवची ना, कोणाक पर्सनल क्वेश्चन्स असले मागीर नंबर आसा एडमिनाचेर दिला, म्हाका क्वेश्चन निमगे वयता हांव जवाब दिता. थँक यू वेरी मच. पूरा ಜನಕ್ಕೆ मागील नमस्कारू करकी स्वामीजीक तेंगेल आशीर्वाद आमगेल ग्रुपाचेर आशिल्ले निमित्ती मस्त होड तेंक नमस्कारू. आणि दिनकराक I must thank you for coming and inaugurating the group and blessing our group. Thank you very much. Thank you.
थँक्यू मम्मी. स्वप्रयत्न आणि हार्डवर्क आणि तुम्ही हितू बद्दल आमकां हे केलेल्याक धन्यवाद. आता नेक्स्ट गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर मिस्टर अरविंद जन्नूजी IAS ऑफिसरा बद्दल परिचय दिवका म्हण हांव डॉक्टर सरोजीक रिक्वेस्ट करता.
Thank you, Usha. Sri Arvind Jannu, a distinguished IAS officer, born in Hanehalli, Kumta Taluk, Uttara Kannada district. He is the son of Srimati Sharda and Sri Ramchandra. Ramchandra Jannu. Sri Jannu's educational journey began in Dharwad and continued at Sainik School, Bijapur, before earning a master's degree in ancient Indian history from Karnataka University Dharwad. He joined the Karnataka Administrative Service (KAS) in 1977, securing the top position in the state. His exemplary performance led to his induction into the Indian Administrative Service in 1987. Over his 36-year career, he held various significant roles at both the district and state levels, culminating in his retirement as Principal Secretary to the government in July 2013. Sri Jannu is happily married to Srimati Kalavati, daughter of Sri N. Lakshminarayan Sheth from Mangaluru. The couple has two sons, Vaibhav and Anubhav, a daughter-in-law Swati, and a granddaughter Ankita. Sir, heartily welcome to Sri Arvind Jannu. Your remarkable journey and dedication to public service are truly inspiring. I welcome you, sir.
I request Arvind Jannu sir to address the gathering.
Sir, तुम्ही mute
Unmute yourself, sir. Unmute yourself.
Yeah. Unmute yourself, sir.
Sir, unmute. सर अनम्यूट करून घेऊ का?
नादला मामा एक कॉल करता की तेंका अरविंद जन्नू सर मामाक पालनकर मामा तुम्ही एक कॉल करता की तेंका
आत्मांतर
मम्मी माझं सामाजिक शो थांबले नाही
कल जातो अरविंद.
Mohanji, have you contacted sir? Saraja madam,
हा मामा
किती कोणी कॉन्टॅक्ट केली की सराका?
हांव तेंच मा
हा
पालकांच
फोन कॉल आहे फोन कॉल नाहीये तेणी उचलना उचलना उचलना
Can we take the next person
येस
till
येस
he settles his?
येस येस Saroj ma'am, can we introduce our next guest of honor, Sri Venkatesh
Yeah, yeah.
Raikar sir?
Introducing someone like Dr. Sachin Vernikar with his remarkable achievements and contributions to the field of education is indeed a matter of pride. His vast experience, scholarly work, and leadership in academia have made a significant impact on both national and international platforms. Professor Sachin Vernikar, born on July 7, 1961, is a distinguished academic and administrative leader in higher education, currently serving as Professor Emeritus at Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapith, Pune. Dr. Vernikar has had a distinguished career with notable position including Dean and Professor and Director at Bharati Vidyapith University from 1994 to 2023. His academic qualifications are extensive, encompassing a BCom in honors, BCom honors, MBA in marketing, LLB, PhD, and memberships in professional bodies such as MIMA and FICA. With over 39 years of teaching experience and 30 years of administrative expertise, Dr. Wernecker has been pivotal in the fields of marketing, human resource management, and entrepreneurship development. His research contributions include 79 published papers, guiding 11 MPhil and 16 PhD scholars, and editing 7 books. He has also played a significant role in organizing over 200 conferences, seminars, and workshops. Sir's involvement with various educational bodies, including AICTE, UGC, and NBA, showcases his extensive experience in accreditation and policy making. He has been honored with numerous awards, including the Bharati Vidyapith Seva Gaurav Puraskar and the Maharaja Yashwantrao Holkar Award. His global engagement includes speaking at international forums and participating in academic exchanges across countries such as Sweden, Japan, and Malaysia. We welcome you, sir.
Thank you, Sarojji. After
Magic
having
show.
listened to Dr. Sudharao Madam,
I would.
Dinkar Baikarikar
I
sir,
would.
Mohan Palankar sir,
I would.
I think they have made the picture very clear,
I
the
would.
vision, mission,
Mommy,
what
I would.
exactly
I
we are
would.
going to contributing, what is expected of us. Everything has been explained by Sudharao Madam, Dinkar sir, as well as Mohan Palankar sir. I believe in 4 ingredients of life: eating, learning, enjoying, and now we are in the age of returning to society. आणि सुधाराव वहिनीन आणि दिनकर सरान अगदी करेक्ट सांगले. आमच्या कोकणी भाषेबद्दल तुम्ही जर पळयले, कर्नाटका भितर कोकणी थोडे कन्नडा मिक्स जाता, गोयचो कोकणी उलयलो ते पोर्तुगीज वर्ड्स मिक्स जाता, आणि वी आर ब्रॉट अप इन महाराष्ट्र. सो आमची भाषे भितर तुमकां दिसतले की मराठी शब्द जास्त मिक्स जातात. So certain words are difficult to understand. किती म्हणलं दिनकर मॅम? Unmute करा. So कोकणीन somebody was writing in the chat की कोकणीन उलयला बरे जातले. So this is a difficulty because certain words we don't understand. म्हाका एकच सांगचे आसा ह्या फोरमा भितर. या फोरमा भितर we have IAS officer Sudha Vahiनीन already सगळं सांगितलं आसा. From my side, what I want to contribute, that is very important. आणि हे म्हाका सांगचे आसा की सरोज मॅडमान बरेच काय मागेल ओळख करून दिल्ली आसा. आमच्या समाजातले ते यंगस्टर्स आसात हांव आतां 40 years ह्या एज्युकेशन फिल्डा आसा. हांव पळयता आसा देर आर लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चन्स. मी आतां 12th जालें मुखार कितें करचें, ग्रॅज्युएशन जालें तेजे मुखार कितें करचें. गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया स्टार्टअपासाठी, एंटरप्रेन्युअर जावसाठी, उद्योजक जावसाठी भरपूर सपोर्ट करती आसा. तर हे खंयचे पद्दतीन मुखार वयचे. दिनकर सरान रायटली सांगले की आतां आमगेल्या भांगरा धंद्या भितर, ज्वेलरी बिझनेसा भितर चोरडा वचू तयार जावता, तेंकां एज्युकेशना वचू जाय. हेजो अर्थ असो न्ही की तेणी उन्नय हो, ज्वेलरी बिझनेसूय बेस्ट आसा, पण उपकार तेंकां शिक्षणासाठी कितें मदत आमी करूं शकतात. आणि हांव एक बिलीव करता फॅक्टा भितर, इफ वी आर वेल प्लेस्ड वी फील ब्लेस्ड, अदरवायज वी आर स्ट्रेस्ड. आतां आमगेले जे चोड आसात, आमगेल्या समाजाचे जे यूथ आसात, हेंकां स्ट्रेस्ड आमकां पळयचें ना, आमकां तेंकां ब्लेस करचें जाती. आणि हे जे इतले एडमीन आसात, प्रत्येक फिल्डांतले एडमीन आमगेले तुमी ह्या ग्रुपा आसात, आमी सगळ्यान मेळून जर हे गायडन्स दिवचे जर प्रयत्न केलो, म्हाका दिसता आमगेले यंगस्टर्साक वी कॅन बिल्ड यूथ फॉर द फ्युचर ऑफ अवर नेशन. आणि हे आमी करूं शकतात. हांव जास्त म्हाका उलयचें इच्छिना, कारण आनीक व्यंकटेश रायकर एक्चुअली इट वॉज हीज टर्न टू स्पीक. म्हाका केन्ना केन्ना जाता की एक विकेट खंयची मदीं गेली की बॅट्समॅन चेंज जाता. व्यंकटेश रायकरान येवची आशिल्लें आतां, म्हाका धाड दिलें कॅप्टनान. सो आय एम व्हेरी हॅपी. आनी जे कितें म्हाका शक्य आसा समाजासाठी डिफरंट फिल्डा भितर, आय हॅव बीन असोसिएशन विथ डॉक्टर डी.वाय. पाटील विद्यापीठ नाव, भारतीय विद्यापीठा बरोबर असोसिएशन आसा, आनी 2-3 युनिव्हर्सिटी भितर आसा. खंयची पद्दतीन म्हाका मदत करची शक्य आसा, आय विल डेफिनेटली डू. सुधा वहिनीन सांगिल्ले प्रमाणे आमगेले जे यंगस्टर्स आसात तेंगेले कितें नीड आसा, आनी वी शूड टेक फीडबॅक फ्रॉम देम बेस्ड ऑन वॉट हेल्प, वॉट इज देयर नीड. आय थिंक वी शूड गायड अँड हेल्प देम फर्दर. आणि हे जर आमी करच्या लागले तर नक्की आमच्या समाजाची उन्नती जातली. कारण हांव बरेच स्टुडंट्स, बरेच यंगस्टर्स, पर्टिक्युलरली जे बिझनेसेस आसात, जे जॉबा आसात, तेंकां स्ट्रेस पळयता, भयंकर तेंचेर स्ट्रेस उरता. आणि आता AI, नवीन टेक्नॉलॉजी हेचमुळे बरेच आमगेले यंगस्टर्साक जॉब केल्ले आसा. खंयचे पद्दतीन अपस्किलिंग तेणी करूं जाय, रिस्किलिंग करच्या जाय. बिझनेसा वयर जाला आतां स्टार्टअप एंटरप्रेन्युअरशिपासाठी जबरदस्त सपोर्ट आसा गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडियालो. ते खंयचे पद्दतीन मुखार येवचे जाय, शिक्षणा भितर बी खंयचे पद्दतीन तेणी मुखार वचूं जाय, हे आमी सगळे नक्की तेंकां मदत करूं शकतात. हांव म्हाका आनी जास्त जरी उलयची इच्छा उरले, कारण आमकां बरी संवय आसा उलयचेली, पण कन्सिडरींग द टायम आतां ऑलरेडी 9:15 जाल्ले आसात. व्यंकटेश रायकर आसात आनी बाकीचे बी थोडे यंगस्टर्साक उलयचे आमी चान्स दिवं जाय. ह्या उद्देशान हांव तुमगेले म्हागेले जे 4 शब्द आसा हांव स्टॉप करता. थँक्यू. सुधा वहिनीले ब्लेसिंग्स मेळ्ळे, दिनकर सरान मेळ्ळे, मोहन पालनकर, तुमकां सुधा वहिनीन ऑलरेडी प्रेसिडेंट म्हण डिक्लेअर केल्ले आसा. हांव तेका सपोर्ट करता. आणि एक प्रेसिडेंट म्हण आज ह्या इनॉग्रेशना भितर एक डिसायड जाले, तर हे मुखार ही जर्नी इझी जातली. सो थँक्यू ऑल ऑफ यू. नमस्कार.
Thank you so much, sir. Actually, Arvind Janu sir has little problem. He will join us back. Till then, the next guest of honor, Shri Venkatesh Raikar सराल बद्दल परिचय देऊ का म्हणून रिक्वेस्ट करता. सरोजी मॅम, kindly introduce Shri Venkatesh Raikar sir to us.
Yeah, sure. Professor Venkatesh Raikar is a highly esteemed academic and leader in the field of mechanical engineering with a BE, MTech and PhD. He has made significant contributions through his roles as a professor at KLE Technological University and as a principal of Government Engineering College. His leadership extended to serving as the Vice Chancellor of Sanjay Godavat University, Kolhapur. Professor Raikar is a fellow of the Institution of Engineers, Kolkata, and a life member of the Indian Society for Technical Education, New Delhi. He is also a member of the American Society of Mechanical Engineers, USA. His involvement with key educational and accreditation bodies includes NAC, NBA, AICT, and UGC, where he has been an expert committee member. Previously, he served as principal at KIT Kolhapur and is now engaged with KLE Technological University, Hubli. His leadership roles also include serving as vice president of Bharatiya Sikshana Mandala, Karnataka Prant, and being an executive member of Vishweshwaraya Technological University, Belgaum, and the governing council of 6 leading engineering colleges. Professor Riker has traveled to over 15 countries, visiting numerous prestigious universities, which enhances his global perspective on engineering education. This introduction highlights Professor Riker's esteemed career and contributions while expressing the pleasure in introducing such a distinguished personality. We welcome you, sir.
येस थँक्यू म्हटलं का नमस्कार आणि मग विषय दिले की ते मला की खंच डिफरंट एरियाच्या भितर आम्ही काम करीत म्हण फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हांव मोहन मामाक थँक्स सांगचा इश्ट करता आणि मागीर मेंटर हांगा आसा सुधाराव मॅडम आणि आमगे भीष्म आसा आमगे समाजाचे बायकेरकर मॅडम सर आणि बाकी ಒಟ್ಟು भरती एक एक फिल्डान ते भरती नाव कमी लोक गोटलोक हांगा आसा ते गोटलोक नमस्कार करना म्हाका बी 6 मिनिट दिला हांव 6 मिनिट भितर मुक्षिता आता हांव भरती एक 2-3 वर्ष आफ्टर कोरोना नंतर आमगे लोकांक भरती ग्रुप्स केलात ग्रुप्स करून बरी चॅटिंग उरता डिस्कशन उरता खंयच्या एक विशयावर पण आउटकम कितें उरची ना आमी ओटू लोकांक एक्सपर्ट आशिल्ले एज्युकेशन उरतले बाकी सोशल सर्विस केले एंटरप्रिनर्स उरतले आमी वी आर आउटकम बेस्ड पीपल सो कसले एक ऍक्टिव्हिटी कसले एक डिस्कशन केल्यार 2 महिन्यानंतर देर शुड बी आउटकम आता आमगेले ज्ञानकल्प एज्युकेशन ट्रस्ट आसा आमगे सुधाराव मॅडमाला गायडन्सा भितर आमी इतले चिरडाक एज्युकेशन फ्री दिले इतले लोकांक स्कॉलरशिप दिले मग आमकां एक सांगचे हेम्मे तशीच आम्ही आता इतले ग्रुपा भितर ओटलोक एक्सपर्ट आशिल्ले तेन्ना प्रति वारम एक 30 मिनिट्स टू 45 मिनिट्स स्पेंड केले देर विल बी आउटकम नाल्यार आमी 3 महिने मीटिंग केले आमगे पयली इंट्रोडक्शन केले देन आय थिंक देर नॉट बी यूज आता का हाई 6 एक वर्टिकल्स कित केला की म्हळ्यार त्या 6 वर्टिकलांचो प्रत्येक एक रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दिन घेना महिना एक पट आउटकम पळयल्यार इथे स्मॉल शॉर्ट टर्म गोल्स लॉंग टर्म गोल्स केल्यार हे एक आमगे ग्रुप बेगीन फ्लरिश जातले नाल्यार आमी मीटिंग करतले वतले आता एक 2 वर्ष जाय आमगे समाजात इतले ग्रुप्स आयला की म्हळ्यार म्हाका डिस्टर्ब जाता हांव ग्रुपाच्यान एक्झिट जावचे लागला आता तशें उलयचे उपाय पडना आता मागीर एक जस्ट सबमिशन कितकी म्हळ्यार ओटू लोकांक मोहन मामा धन ओटू आमगे सुधाराव मॅडम बायकेरीकर ओटू लोकांक अशी लिडर्स आसा सचिन वेर्णेकर विचार कितें म्हळ्यार आमी एक आज कितें कर की म्हळ्यार डिसिजन घेवका एक महिना कितें जर आउटकम करून दाखयका then only this group will have some recognition in the community otherwise no use हाई फर्स्ट 7 वर्टिकल्स कसले केला की म्हळ्यार हितून डिस्कशन करीत 7 वर्टिकल्स एकला एक कोऑर्डिनेटर करना आणि एक को कोऑर्डिनेटर करून घेना कित्याक म्हळ्यार आमगे समाज तो ऑल इंडिया लेवल आसा इट इज नॉट कंफाइंड टू कर्नाटका I think there may be students from Maharashtra, there may be students from Kerala. It is a heterogeneous group. आम्ही प्रत्येक लोक एक एकला फोन करून तिगील रिक्वायरमेंट घेता आमकां कसले सक्सेस मेळना आमी शूड बी स्टँडर्डाइज द प्रोसेसेस खंयची एक संस्थेचो कितें उरला इट शूड बी आउटकम बेस्ड वन and the process model and the continuous improvement and for this customer satisfaction या 4 विषया भितर आमी ध्यान केल्यार खंयचे संस्थे बेळचो लागला मागीर 7 वर्टिकल्स खंयचे की म्हळ्यार फर्स्ट वर्टिकल इज करियर गायडन्स एंड काउन्सिलिंग खूब आमगे सोनार लोकांक खंय वचका खंयच एज्युकेशन घेवपाक गोतून उरना तेजेन फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट तेन्ना मागीर कण इतलो चेड विचारता ती आफ्टर 10th SLC तेणी कसलाय घालो सायन्स जाय तर मुखार कसलाय घालो कसले गुतूर ना तांकां UPSC एग्जाम KPI खंयचे तुमगेले बाकी ऑल इंडिया लेवल एग्जाम्स उरता ती आनी IIM उरतात आयसर उरतात कसले गुतूर ना बरी एक इंजिनियरिंग इतले वचचे मेडिकल सेकंड वन इज आमगेल्या भितर कम्युनिटी भितर सुमार आमकां भरती रिच लोक इतले दिसता ते गरीब लोक खूब आसा सुमार मोर देन 50% आमी सेकंड घेवचे स्कॉलरशिप एंड फ्रीशिप सेकंड वर्टिकल्स मागेले आणि थर्ड वन इज स्किल डेव्हलपमेंट एंड एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप दिस इज द थर्ड वर्टिकल्स कित्याक म्हळ्यार आतां एमर्जिंग स्किल्स नॉलेज आतां भरती लोक बी जे लोक जॉब मेळचे लागले ना आता आमी बी जे जॉब मेळटा मागीर दिसा एक 2-3 लोक फोन करता ती तेणी स्किल एक्वायर्ड केला नॉलेज घेतला आता आनी परत हांव चेडा खंय धाडटा म्हळ्यार स्किल सेंटर धाडटा थंय की एमर्जिंग एरियाज भितर स्किल घेवन जॉब करचे लागतात सो थर्ड वर्टिकल्स इज स्किल डेव्हलपमेंट एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप फोर्थ वर्टिकल्स विल बी कम्युनिटी डेव्हलपमेंट ऍक्टिव्हिटीज इट मे बी भरती लोक गरीब लोक हेल्प करचे हो आणि आमगेले मठा बघ विचार करचे हो आणि कडर अनाथ आणि आमगेल कल्चर अँड ट्रेडिशन इंटॅक्ट दवरच्याक आणि हेल्थ अँड हायजिनिक this is the fourth vertical, that is a community development activity. And fifth will be competitive exams, this is the fifth vertical. Sixth will be women empowerment, and seventh will be unorganized artisanship, that is mean jewelry clusters. हे एक 7 verticals करेन, 7 verticals कोऑर्डिनेटर करेन, को कोऑर्डिनेटर करेन. त्या कोऑर्डिनेटर प्रत्येक लोक स्मॉल टार्गेट जोला 1 महिना इतलं करका 2 महिना इतलं करका म्हळार आय थिंक हे ग्रुपा बेगीन बाकी मार्केट व्हॅल्यू उरतले नाल्यार कसले जे ना आमी मागीर हांव खंय खंय खंयचे ऑर्गनायझेशन आसा हांव खंय गेल्यार बी हांव 107 युनिव्हर्सिटी कन्सल्टन्सी अक्रॉस इंडिया हा हेची मागीर प्रिन्सिपल्स ऑफ वर्किंग प्रत्येक विषयाक टार्गेट उरका आणि लॉंग टर्म गोल्स इतले आमगे समाजाक केल्यार आमी हे ग्रुपा भितर नाव येतले आणि एक मागीर मोहन मामास्की मोहन मासा न्ही मोहन माम हा आता मोहन माम बी ती बिझी मनुष्य उरता एक फुल टाइम एक वर्कर उरका तेन सकाळ जर सांजर मॉनिटर करका तो बी प्रोफेशनल उरका तेसला मात्र येतलो मोहन मामा एकल्याकाची पाप कितलो का फोन करतलो कितलो का तो कितलो एक महिन जाल्या उठला का फोन करचे 15 मिनिट उरली सकाळ जर सांज का एक ऑफिस मनुष्य उरका एक वेबसाइट उरका प्रति 2 दिवसा त्याने मॉनिटर करका आणि त्याने फोन करका तो मोहन मामा तुम्ही जाणे मला पाप कर तुम्ही एक फुल टाइम एम्प्लॉय घेऊ का त्या खातीर एक कॉर्पस अमाउंट उरका गेले आणि विजन मिशन आमगे क्लियर जेव का आता आम्ही विजन उरता 5 वर्षा भितर कित करका म्हण 5 वर्षा भितर महिन्या वर्षा भितर कित करका 6 महिन्या भितर कित करका अशें आमी चॉकआउट करून एक स्मॉल ऑफिस केल्यार आता बायकर मामा भरती म्हळ्यार भरती नेटवर्किंग आसा आता बॉम्बे भितरच अशी हेच एक रजिस्टर करून बायलॉस डिफायन करून वेदर इज अ सोसायटी की ट्रस्ट की सेक्शन 8 कंपनी म्हणून एक डिफायन करून एक धाकलो ऑफिस करून एक नाव घान घेन नंतर एक कम्प्युटर घेन एक मनशा फुल टाइम दवरार आम्ही 2 महिन्या भितर टार्गेट घेवच्या पावता नाल्यार कसलेच मेळना सो मागीर सिन्सियर एडवाइस ऑल द स्टालवर्ड्स ऑफ अवर कम्युनिटी such that we should assemble at least once in a week or once in 15 days for half an hour and should review the things whatever we done last week and what we are going to do by next week. If we keep the targets, then only we can do something to the society. I think with these few words I want to wind up my speech and thank you. I think this is the first platform I am saying under the leadership of Mohan Palkarji that all stalwarts of our community got together here in one place. I think how much efforts Palkarji has put, God only knows. From my behalf, I only think can tell salute to Mohanji. That is the only thing I can do. I would have hugged you. Thank you so much and wish you all the best for this group. And I think in first meeting all the people have came here and given a very good suggestion. But the future work will be how to implement and get the outcome. Then only people will appreciate. I think with these few words, I wind my speech. Thank you and good night. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you
so much.
you, Mama. Thank you so much for giving us a working plan. And then Arvind Janu, Mama, are you ready to give your views?
अनम्यूट करून घ्या म्हणता काय अरविंद जन्नू सर अनम्यूट करा
Arvind Janu,
प्लीज
Mama.
अरविंद जन्नू सर अनम्यूट करून घ्या माइक अनम्यूट करा तुम्ही अरविंद सर
I'm just trying to call him. 1 minute.
नेटवर्क इश्यू अशी दिसता म्हाका ಕಿದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಾರಿ परत येताचेने परत ओत्तातेने ಮಾಡಾರಿ व्हिडिओ बी ओत्ता कसं प्रॉब्लेम असा
मम्माने थोडे network issue असतंय. Is not
नेटवर्क
getting
इश्यूज
unmuted. So let us go ahead. In the meanwhile, he is going to join us. So I request the organizer, Shri Mohan Palankar Mama, to highlight us on our regular activities now, the daily activities, weekly activities, and
Yes.
monthly programs. I request you and Shri Uday Sheth sir to join
Can we
with him.
take Usha? There are certain
Yes,
groups
ma'am.
who have joined before Mohan enters into explaining these things. Can we just allow the youngsters who have joined the group, if they have any questions
To
to
speak?
us?
Okay. So I open, if youngsters have any questions, can raise their hands. I request the youngsters to raise your hands. There is an option below. एक option असा खाली. तुम्ही request hand raise कलारी, we can unmute. You can unmute and speak. First, the youngsters, तुम्ही काय ते questions असते.
If they don't come forward, then give to Mohan Palankar. He'll speak.
एक रेवणकर म्हणून
Would like
असपळे
to speak. It is Mrinal H. There is Mrinal H.
लेखा
who wants to speak.
लेखा
Please
रेवणकर
unmute yourself. There is
लेखा
a Mrinal
रेवणकर
H. He wants to speak, he said. Please unmute yourself.
Yes. Good evening, everyone. My question is that if we have these meetings, so it'll like how frequently will we have them, and the agenda will be discussions on educational fields such as various aspects of education, or is it going to be a discussion wherein we put our views forward and exchange the knowledge that we have to support each other in our respective fields? मागेल आवाज येऊ लागली की?
We can hear you. We can hear you.
Yeah.
Can you tell your name?
My name is Lekha Revankar.
Okay.
Rekha, your issues
Le-
which you have raised, issues you have to raise to the concerned admin person, admin expert, and that expert will guide you and mentor you and provide information pertaining to your need. Hey, asl meeting karche, these meetings are not going to help the younger group. Younger group aga त्यांनी तेंगिले problem identify करनो. हंग admin साल कितले जनाला असा तेंगिल बग्गे कळंगेनो. तुम्ही 10th लेगी concerned admin नाले एक प्रश्न निमगिले रे तुमका समा जवाब मिळता आणि help मिळता.
Yeah, I would like to say something. You know what Lekha has raised the objection or the problems that we are going to resolve it because the system we are going to create. And what is the system is that we have produced the email address of the group, and that email address and with the password will be sent to all the youths. Now, whatever problems are there, questions are there, and you would like to know from our admins, so you have to send the email. And then this email will be studied by our admins, and the concerned admin will give the reply the very next day or maybe in third day. This is the system we are going to adopt. And that is the reason for Yuva Shakti group has created one email address. That is the one thing. And secondly, Now we want to know the youth. Now youth are, or maybe somebody is a commerce, somebody is a science, somebody is an engineer, somebody is a doctor. So these are the different categories, correct? Now for that purpose, we would like to get the feedback from you, and there is called as a Google form. Now this Google form has been already created, and it will be produced in your group, and thereafter every youth, every member has to give the details of his profile, and based on that profile we will categorize how many are the engineering, how many are medical, how many are how many are the student, how many are the employee, and the age group, everything will do the analysis. So this is what we are going to do, and this is right now it is in a WhatsApp group, and later on it is going to be a big organization. There will be a president, there will be vice president, there will be the secretary, there will be treasurer, and all these members will be there. And then we will have our own website, and then we will have our we will do this an advertisement or canvassing or propaganda through the media, different Facebook media and YouTube media and everything that we are going to do it. So this is 100%, as you said, that your needs, your requirement will be dealt by our admins. That is the system we are going to provide you. And once in a month we are going to conduct a Google Meet, and in this Google Meet we are going to give a lecture. That one admin on a particular subject will give a lecture for 1 hour, and every day, and on the daily basis or weekly basis and on the monthly basis, that concerned admin will give the information. Say what we have done is, Monday is a engineering, and Tuesday will be the medical, and Wednesday will be the commerce. So on a different days, the different admins will give the information based on the queries raised by the youth. That is what we are going to do, because in a one day we all the admins cannot give the answer, and it may be a different. So that's why we made it a classification. Monday is a engineering, and Tuesday medical, and like this, Monday to Sunday we have done. And at the same time, see, the book knowledge is not sufficient, so we should have the Maulik education. For that purpose, on Sunday we kept the program that lady is the Bharati. She is going to, Madam Bharati is going to give the information on the Sanskara, Sanskriti, culture, Adhyatmika, all this information, how to behave with the seniors, that behavioral also we are going to teach, and then how
Hello.
to keep your health in a healthy condition. So all those information you are going to get it. That is from Monday to Sunday we have a different program, and that is what we are going to see. Now from Monday onwards we are going to start,
Okay.
because many of the members have waited for almost 2 months. We have started from July 15, and now is almost 2 months.
Yes, sir.
Therefore now we
Yes, sir.
we are not going to wait. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, anybody else?
But- Yeah, Rajmi, Manal Altankar.
Anybody else?
Yeah.
I wanted to put forward one
Anybody
particular
else?
question over here. Is a very simple one. If this group is created, and it's a very good group, I really appreciate it. My one understanding is, how can a local make forward to educate everyone? Because if I get educated, it's not only me. I got to educate someone else, right? Also, but it's not going to happen. जास्त त्याचा होल प्रॉब्लेम असा. आता म्हाका एज्युकेशन कळले, ओके अशें आसा, ओके फायन, दोज गायज ते लोक येता, वी ऑलरेडी नो वॉट द मुसलमान्स आर डुईंग इट. ओके, बट आमकां हांव कशें मुखार वचून ऑब्जेक्शन घेवका तेंचे कडेन? दॅट इज माय क्वेश्चन टू यू.
Say at this moment we are only focusing on education. We are focusing only on education and information, direction, motivation. That is our motto. Our motto
Kalle, ma'am.
is not diversification. We are not going to talk about the religion. We are not going to talk about the caste. We are even not talking about our own, guru and all those things. Let us focus on our 10th standard, 11th standard, 12th standard. What is the subject he has to choose? Which area he has to go? And after graduation, what he has to do it? Post graduation, how he has to, whether he has to go for MSc or which organic chemistry or the biochemistry, those things that we are going to teach,
Why?
those things
Okay,
that
ma'am.
we are going to
Fine.
provide the
Fine, ma'am.
direction. And
I'm not.
we are not talking about any
Kalle,
religion at all.
Kalle. Ma'am, Kalle, I understand it. But एक ma'am सांगता हो का? In my own religion, if I have 11th standard girl who is my daughter, okay. Now she is going to a college. She'll get
Yes.
exposure to a lot of other people. And त्याच्या भितर थंय people or the other community might try to take advantage. How to stop that?
See, this is not, again I'm repeating, right now.
I know. Yes, understood.
Our Yuva Shakti has been created. That is a different Sanatana Dharma. Some other Sanstha are there. Some other organization are there. There are RSS and Vishwa Hindu Parishad and Bajranga Dala and all those things are there. So they will do the
Right.
activities, but ours is confined to the education, confined, focused. We are going to focus only on the education, career building, personality development, developing
Okay,
the
ma'am.
communication
Okay,
skills.
ma'am. कळले
Yes.
ma'am. चिल्लू नका तू मग कळले मका सगळे.
Nee.
You are focusing on the main on education only, na?
Let us focus on this. This is not the subject to discuss here. This is not the subject to discuss here. Anything about the education, anything about the career building, you can talk, you can question.
कळले ma'am.
Yes, thank you.
कळले ma'am.
Thank you so
सत्य.
much.
Thank you ma'am. Thank you ma'am.
Thank you. Anybody else?
उदय शेठ मामाने कमेंट दिवचे आशिल्ले वीकली आणि डे मंथली प्रोग्राम्सा बद्दल. I request Uday
Okay.
Sheth ma'am if you have
Yes.
some comments.
Uday Sheth from Bombay. Uday Sheth ma'am, Asachi.
Hi, namaskar to all distinguished admins.
Yes, thank you.
Acha. Magele intention mleri. First, I would like to guide people who are in the school or in the junior colleges. Normally, what we have seen is today the youth or the children get influenced by the peer circle. They do not take guidance from elders like us or any career guidance bureaus. Mostly, it is the peer circle which influences them. And we have to ensure that they don't go to their peer circle and take advice when future education is concerned or a question of building their career is concerned. Second thing what I have seen is normally children when they attempt exams, they focus basically on scoring. That is not wrong. But even post your examination, the subject has to be studied. So fundamentally, one thing what children should do is they should never put anything into option. As far as the exams are concerned, okay, you score well, you get good grades, get into good universities and good colleges. But at the end, when you establish your career, it is very important that you go through all the you study the subject thoroughly and do not restrict yourself to few questions and put other in options. Second, I want to guide people who are on the verge of looking out for jobs. After our graduation, it is very important to structure your CVs to suit that job. Now, normally what we have seen is when people apply, it is a stereotype of a resume what they do and they send it to everybody. So my only request would be that you structure your resume or a CV to suit that particular job and you fine tune it in such a way you get a call for an interview. But normally in the tenure of AI our CVs are not scrutinized by any individual member or the head of the department. It is first scrutinized by the computers or the system scrutinizes it. And keywords are very important. And these keywords ensure that you get a call. For one job, there are more than 100 applicants. If you have to get through the first process, you should ensure the CV is properly structured, the keywords are proper, and you get through the first round and at least you are selected for an interview. When a person is selected for an interview, at Amin Corporate, what we look at, maybe we see the person may not be that genius of a cadre. We look at his integrity first. Sir, in the interview, when you present yourself, it is very important you highlight these qualities and you give a confidence to the interviewer. The integrity is a very important part of your curriculum or maybe what you are looking at. And subsequently, we are able to mold children. The focus is basically on, educating yourself, having good value systems, and joining an organization. I think the third one, what I want to address the people who are into the mid-level of their career is, one should not be changing job just for the sake of changing. See, there has to be genuinely one reason, either you get a jump in designation or your remuneration. And the company where you are going for is much better than the earlier company. The fundamental objective has to learn in the company so that you are able to perform better when it comes to overall delivering of the objectives of the group where you are placed. We have seen many a times that is not the objective of when people change jobs. So focus has to be very clear. You have to ensure growth in your organization, growth as an individual where you are, to enhance his own brand equity. You have to create your own brands and present it so that you are recognized in the institute where you are working, or maybe in the entrepreneurship area where you want to focus. I feel that our people should not get basically carried away by jobs these days. Jobs are very restricted and the competition is very tough. We should encourage them to getting into entrepreneurship because there are a lot of avenues open today other than engineering and medical. With the AI and the IT boom in, and our boys being very creative, our children being very intelligent and creative in those areas, we should guide them in areas where small MSME entrepreneurs can function well. And there are a lot of people who are willing to finance also. So on those fronts, we'll be able to guide them. Now, given the time restriction, in brief, I have touched these three segments. And as and when we get queries from people, we will definitely ensure we do justice to it and we'll guide them in a proper way so that whatever we have learned, we give them in a platter. I mean, we have slogged almost 42 years after our engineering and management in different areas in the organization. So we filter it and we give them on a platter whatever they are looking at. Thank you, everyone. I thank all the distinguished admins. Jai Hind, Namaskar.
Thank you.
Mohanji,
Yes,
can
madam.
I answer? Can I just 1 minute? Can I take?
Yes.
See now, sir, you are rightly told issue correctly. See, what we can do, have a one group. After SLC, we can guide them which based upon his earlier credential, we can easily tell that which discipline will be suitable for him. That is one thing. That is called diagnostic testing, then psychometric testing, then reinforced parallel thinking. That is one thing we can do. Because there are experts in our this thing, in our community. I think we can form a cell. That's why I told, I think others were not serious about my verticals. 7 verticals I made it. Those will be beautiful verticals. We can make in charge as based upon the expertise. Then we can guide our community, our community students.
All right.
Another thing I'll tell you.
Yes.
Students come to me after joining engineering after second year. I give the guidance. Which are the foreign language he has to learn, which are the competitive exam he has to, because after B you cannot do anything. He has to start after second year of engineering or second year of BSc or second year of commerce. I think in this program, there are so many experts are there. I think we can guide them properly.
The last year.
Yeah.
Last year.
You can go ahead. I want, because Udayji actually raised proper issues. We are there to form one cluster so that we can help our youngsters.
Definitely, sir.
Okay, fine. Definitely. Okay, next, Usharani, madam.
तेगेल नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम मोबी डिस्कनेक्ट झाला. So we can call
हाय
Roshni. Yeah, आणि एक कोणी
एजेंडा पे
यंगस्टर
नंतर किती जाता एजेंडा पे नाही एजेंडा नंतर किती असा मुखार
वोट ऑफ थँक्स सच असा
एजेंडा
आणि
भितरी त्याचे पहिले हे असणी वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द वेबसाइट
या
समथिंग रिगार्ड
तो
हॅलो
पहिले कोणा आणि यंगस्टर एक उलेव की म्हणा जस्ट इफ दे हॅव एनीथिंग एक पटी
नका
उलेन घेणं.
यंगस्टर
I think we can take the
ओके
vote of
ओके
thanks because we have to close by 10 o'clock. It's
10
already
o'clock vote of
9:48.
thanks
आणि एक चल्ली वेट करतो असा रोशनी म्हणा. So let her just 1
हा
minute she will talk and then vote of thanks we'll give
ओके
you again. Yeah.
ओके ओके
Yeah,
ओके
Roshni, you can speak.
Not only Roshni, from the group, if anybody has questions, they can raise. Then we go for vote of thanks.
Hello, Roshni,
हाँ
are you
रोशनी
there?
मैडम
You raised a question, so
Yeah. Hello, everyone. Firstly, I would like to thank everyone for having me here. It's a pleasure to be a part of a community of experienced people with remarkable achievements. And I would like to greet all the senior members of the community who are present here. Namaste, sir. Namaste, ma'am. And I myself, Roshni Revankar, daughter of Rajesh Revankar and Jyoti Revankar from Davangere. I am an architect graduated from BVB College of Engineering, Hubli. Currently, I'm practicing architecture in Davangere and Bangalore. I'm glad to share that I've been awarded as the most promising and upcoming architect of the year in 2021 at the national level. I started my career in MNC and now working and I'm like striving towards having a firm of my own. My team is currently handling pan India projects. I think this is a great initiative taken by the experienced people in our community, which will help the upcoming professionals with a proper guidance to secure and nurture their future. See, and having an experience in the journey of working in MNC to having a firm of my own, I have come across a lot of things that helped me grow on my own way. And it will be an honor for me to share a professional experience to encourage and guide the professionals in their journey. And सगळ्याक हे जो तुम्ही इनिशिएटिव्ह घेतील लोकांक and delegates जो I thank everyone because this is a very, very important thing that has to be taken in our community. खूप कमी असले सगळे जो असात क्योंकि आमगेल लोकांक खबर ना की इतले लोक जो भी I have met so many. I mean, I just joined the group after like I mean, I've not seen a group having such a great people over here, like having such a great degrees and having their every professional, each and every professional people are over in this platform. So I'm looking for मार्केटलेट न्ही की आमगेल जो भी कोणी भी सगळी युथ आसात थिंक तुमगेल खूप हेल्प जाय आसा हे जो आमगेल प्लॅटफॉर्माच्यान इवन दो स्टुडंट्स जाऊ अँड एज्युकेशन जाले नंतर जो प्रोफेशनल्स आसात तिंका बी एक हेल्प जाय उरता टू टेक अ स्टेप अँड ते तुमगेल कडच्यान आमी एक्सपेक्ट करते आसात बिकॉज तुमी ऑलमोस्ट लायक तुमगेल इयर्स ऑफ एक्सपिरियन्सा भितर सगळी पळयल्ले आसात की कितें कशें कितें हर्डल्स जात कसले कसले लोकांक फेस करचे उरता वॉट टायप ऑफ डिसिजन्स यू हॅव टू टेक सो I kindly request everyone who are senior member of this community की आम्ही जो क्वेश्चन्स रेज करतात आमक हेल्प करच्यासाठी प्रोफेशनल्स जाऊ स्टुडंट्स जाऊ आणि जो बी तिंगेल बिझनेस स्टार्ट करच्यासाठी बी इवन दो आफ्टर हॅव्हिंग दर एज्युकेशन तिंगसाठी एक प्रॉपर गाईड आणि परत एक रेफरन्सेस बी दिवच्यासाठी हेल्प केलं म्हटल्यार आय थिंक दिस विल बी अ ग्रेट सोल्युशन फॉर ऑल द युथ्स हे सांगता हे एक सांगचे म्हाका पॉइंट आशिल्ले सो थँक यू
Thank
फॉर
you.
yeah
Beautiful.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
thank you so much.
Beautiful.
I
Very well
request,
said. Very well said.
yes,
yeah
Yes, I request Ravindra Sheth ma'am and Arun Sheth ma'am to speak few words on the website and YouTube channel.
हुशार आणि मॅम एक रिक्वेस्ट आशिल्ले आता आमगेल जो ग्रुप आसा इट्स ओनली रिस्ट्रिक्टेड टू फ्यू ऑफ देम जो बी आमगेल युथ्स आसात दे आर नॉट they have not shared their professionals आणि परत प्रोफेशनलिझम जो बी तीन करते आसात आणि परत कितें एज्युकेशन घेतले आसात सो आय थिंक तुम्ही इतलो व्हड इनिशिएटिव्ह घेतिल्लो आसात सो यू पीपल हॅव टू नो की खंयचे खंयचे रिजना भितर कितलो कितलो
Yes,
स्टुडंट्स आणि
yes.
परत कितले प्रोफेशनल्स आसात थिंक हेल्प करच्यासाठी तुम्ही एक इनिशिएटिव्ह जो घेवच्याक हेल्प म्हटल्यार तुम्ही रिजना भितर एक एकली पर्सनाक दवरले म्हटल्यार सो दॅट द पीपल कॅन डायरेक्टली connect them and take a तेंचे कडच्यान इचांग येना तेंचे कडच्यान सोल्युशन घेतलं म्हणल्यार दे विल बी ग्रेटफुल बिकॉज एक ग्रुपाच्यान इतलो लोकां मेंबर्साक हेल्प करूंक इट्स डिफिकल्ट आय अंडरस्टँड बट एक एक रिजना भितर एक टीम ऑफ पीपलाक दवरले म्हटल्यार सो दॅट दोज पीपल कॅन कनेक्ट टू दोज म्हटल्यार तुमगेल जो प्रोफेशनल उरतात तेंचे बरोबर कनेक्ट केले म्हटल्यार that will help a lot is what I think.
Okay.
Maybe at the start
We
केला
can
आम्ही,
use
so
the expert group.
No, it is a very good suggestion. It is a very good suggestion,
Suggestion.
and we are going to do that. And for that, Google Forms that we have prepared, and moment we get, then we'll know how many are from engineering, how many are from medical. So then we segregate, and accordingly, the admin will be fixed for these members. For one admin, we'll allot that. The responsibility will be given, and you are concerned. Student will talk to the concerned admin. Correct.
correct, yeah.
That is what we are
That
going
will
to do
help.
it.
Yes, sir. That will help a lot because आम्ही
Yes,
जो
yes.
face केला जाता and I being a architect, आमगेल field भितर it's very difficult to like a woman getting into a field, and thankfully with God's grace and my parents' support and all, I am doing my good in my firm and whatever projects I'm getting, it's not from our community. I want this to be like कोणीतरी एक succeed जात असताना आमगेल community people be help करू जाय एक step up वयर व्हायच्यासाठी. That's what is
Correct.
my point of view
But
because
sure,
I
sure.
think I'm damn sure that you guys will help us like being in
Yeah,
our youth.
definitely.
Yes,
Absolutely, definitely, and we'll do it. It's a good suggestion. Thank you. And now, Usharani madam, or
Yes,
I
sir.
had
Yes.
one question to
So
Roshni.
we need to highlight on website and Google Form. We did not highlight on
yeah,
website, YouTube
okay,
channel, and Google
okay,
Form. So in few
yes,
sentences, I would request Ravindra Sheth sir and Arun Sheth sir
brief,
to speak on website.
brief करूया.
Please brief.
Time झाले
Yeah, please.
9:55. Yes.
First, I want to thank Mr. Sri Mohan sir for his leadership and dedication, and most importantly, for believing in the power of our community and contacting everyone and requesting for participation in the community development, a remarkable vision to our unit and our community. Mohan sir vision laid a way for progress that will continue to benefit generations to come actually. Since our community cannot be confined to WhatsApp group, that is the reason we are planning to build our community with website with 7-8
Yeah.
verticals as discussed earlier, along with spiritual bent in it, which will play a major role in connecting and strengthening us all. And it's a one-stop shop for keep everyone in a loop. Our community youth website will be foundation of our collective engagement, bridging the gap between individuals and making sure that we move forward together. Since we are planning and dreaming in a large scale, it will take another 2 to 3 months time, because I am contacting so
Yes.
many friends since I worked for a bank. In a one page only we see so many link websites actually. That's the plan actually. Our community youth website will be is going to be a big hub, a place where we can all come together regardless where we are actually. Thank you one
Yeah.
and all. It will take another
Sure.
2-3 months time, but sure we'll work on it actually. Yeah.
Thank
Sir,
you.
one
Thank
more
you
thing,
so much,
Udayji,
Arun
Udayji.
Thank you.
Shetty.
Udayji,
Yeah.
Thank
Though
you.
I am though I am
Udayji.
banker, I'm bit technocrat only. I like that.
Thanks.
Udayji,
Thank you.
Arun Shetty.
Udayji.
I request Dr. Saroj Revankar ma'am to put some highlights on Google Form.
No, 1 minute. Before that, I just want to talk to Udayji. Udayji.
Udayji, I don't know whether he's responding.
Yeah. Namaskar. Yes, sir. Sangat Mama.
Sir, can you have a physical office in Mumbai? At least one small office.
Sir, yeah, sir. Actually, looking at the Mumbai property
Mohan,
rates, it will be very
Mohan,
difficult to have in a
Yes,
central
sir.
location.
Yes, madam.
So my
Somebody
request
serve,
would be
somebody
having
at 10
yeah,
o'clock we have to close. Please remember
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
Number
Okay.
we can
two,
take it
Okay.
we
tomorrow
will
next week.
not deviate from the agenda of the meeting.
No, this will discuss
If we
our
have any other
admin meeting.
questions, we can settle
This will
amongst the
discuss our
admins.
admin meeting.
Yeah,
We will
please.
discuss about the admin meeting, having an office in Mumbai. Those things
Exactly,
will discuss at the
exactly.
admin meeting.
So can we
Admin
go for
meeting.
the vote of thanks?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
please proceed with the vote of thanks. I request Professor Ravish sir to proceed with the vote of thanks.
ಸಕಲ ಲೋಕಕ್ಕೆ ಮಗಲ್ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Namaskar.
ಮಲ್ಗಡೆ ಪುರ ಪ್ರಣಾಮ. ದೈವಜ್ಞ ಯುವ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಲೋಕಕ್ಕೆ ಮಗಲ್ greetings. Namaskar. I consider it my privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this auspicious inauguration of the function of Devagna Viman Yuva Shakti Group. It's a great initiative and happy to see so many of us being part of it. At the outset, I thank Sri Dinakar Baikerikar, President, Akhila Bharatiya Devagna Samajannoti Parishat Mumbai, for accepting our invitation to be the chief guest and addressing all of us in spite of his busy schedule. Thank you, Mama, for your gracious presence and spending your valuable time with us. I also sincerely thank Professor Sudharao, former Vice Chancellor, Sri Arvind Janu, who could not, of course, speak for technical reasons, Dr. Venkatesh Raikar, Dr. Sachin Ray Varnekar, and Uday Sheth, and so many other participants for having joined with us and giving their opinions. I thank all of them. I'm sure our Devagna youth and the senior admins will carry the message and they will strive hard to implement them for the cause of Devagna Samaj. I also wholeheartedly thank Dr. Usha Rani Varnekar, Saroj Revankar for meticulously anchoring and conducting the program, Miss Tejasvi Varnekar for the melodious Swagat Geeta. On behalf of everyone assembled here virtually, I sincerely thank our dynamic leader and organizer of the group, Sri Mohan Palanka, who needs an applause for all the efforts that he has put in all these days. If at all it has come today to this level, it is because of his hard work that he has put in for almost 2 to 3 months, I believe. Thank you, sir, for your gracious presence and all the hard work that you have put in to connect all of us together here.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sir, now
It's a noble cause for the development of our community and delivering the welcome speech.
thank you. Thank you. At last, I would like to say that
I would like to just mention that I find a lot of people here, particularly some well-learned people, literally joining together, spending their lot of time, almost 2 hours, for the cause of the society at large. I still remember when I was a boy in high school, in whole of Mysore, there was hardly 1 or 2 people who were educated. And my father always had the intention to call them home, which they rarely used to come because they found it a little difficult to join with business group. Now is the time, after almost 3 to 4 decades, I see a large number of our community. That's a welcome sign. And this is because of the fact that most of us have come through hard way and learned the things. And now we know that guiding our youth is a necessity. I wholeheartedly thank all my young and energetic Devagna Bandhavas who have joined virtually with all enthusiasm to do something good for our community. I thank all those who are directly or indirectly supported and guided the idea, design, and development.
and execution of the formation of this for the societal cause. We continue to seek their support and guidance. Thank you all for gracing this auspicious occasion. Thanks for the opportunity provided. It's a great opportunity. Thank you. There will be a lot
Yes,
of learning. Sure, we will continue
Thank
to do
you.
this job.
Thank you, Ravi sir. Thank you
Thanks a
so
lot.
much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much,
Thank
sir.
you
Thank
so
you very much.
much.
Thank you all.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
At last, I would like to say, विद्ये येऊ अहंकार नका, व्यवसाय येऊ व्यसन नका, प्रगती येऊ आलस्य नका, सहनशीलता येऊ राग द्वेष नका, डेव्हलपमेंट येऊ ज्याला वेस्टर्नायझेशन नका. Be rooted. Good night and Jai Hind. Thank you.
Good night.
Thank
Good
you.
night. Good
Thank
night.
you
Good
very
night.
much. Good night.
Shubharatri.
Good night. Good night.